Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to change your icons or folders with a different custom theme in VS Code. By default it doesn't have a icon. So there is some extensions that you can install here which provides you with these icons. So if you just write file icons, you can select from a bunch of extensions right here, but I prefer this one, which is this big pack of icons. You can basically activate any of these extensions. As I click the install button, so you will see at automatically your need to select the theme here. So once you select the theme, these icons will appear side by side alongside with the files. This will significantly will improve the experience of using VS Code, because it will actually show which sort of file is this. So for JavaScript, it will put a JavaScript logo, and for HTML, it will put a HTML logo. And so this will be the actual icon theme. So I personally like this for folders as well. It has a look and feel about. You can see that this is a zip file. This is So just go to extensions and just type file icon and just activate this theme. So I think VS Code great icon. So this is the theme VS Code. So this is the name of the extension that I use. You can also use it. So this provides you with these nice little icons that you see. It supports all the languages, the folders as well. You can see that. So in this easy way, you can change your icons theme and folders theme as well in VS Code. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.